This video will help understand all the Multipath features as well as its Valeo engine. The Valeo engine kit allows riders to have 4 different modes of assistance. To change the mode, just press on this button. The first mode is Predict mode. This allows the complicated algorithms of electrical assistance and gear shift to work automatically, adapting to your riding style. The second mode is Turbo mode. This offers the rider the maximum power of electrical assistance. The third mode is regular cycling mode that allows you to use the gearbox without any electrical assistance. Take into account that the throttle is a boost and walk assist that allows you to have electrical assistance on demand when triggered. The fourth mode is Eco mode, where the electrical assistance is the most optimized in order to reach the maximum autonomy. Shifting to a sequential gearbox can be used on all modes except for Predict mode. The buttons of the throttle, which is specifically designed for the gearbox, allow you to shift down a gear when pressing the minus button, and on the opposite, the plus button can be pressed to a gear up. The top button can be pressed to shift to automatic mode again. Be careful to ease the crank effort to drop down the speed gear. Press this button to turn on or turn off the lights of your bike. To navigate on the menu counter, all you need to do is press the button. Now, you will be able to see the remaining autonomy, the total mileage and the partial mileage of the bike. To reset partial mileage, press on these 2 buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The throttle that has been mentioned earlier, allowing you to have electrical assistance on demand while on regular cycling mode, as well as helping you push your bike up a steep hill. Well done! You now know all the Multipath's features. Enjoy the ride!